Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bookings to your Wix website. So let's get started. So for this one, I created a new page that is called Bookings on my website. That way, people will be able to book seamlessly on my website. Now, I recommend you to do that, but you actually don't need to do that if you don't want to do that. It will just make things easier that way. So for this one, let's click on Add Elements right here. And then from in there, let's click on the search bar and then search in here for booking. So let's search for that. And then this will open this Wix Bookings right here. So click on Open right here. And then this will open the Wix App Market wherein we can add this specific app to our website and integrate it inside it. So as you can see right here, it will load and it will add the Wix Bookings to our website. So in here, let's just wait for that to finish adding it to our website. So in here, it has actually added in our Wix bookings. So in here, let's first create our first service. So let's click on this one. And then in here, it will load. And then this will actually redirect us to the Wix dashboard wherein we can see the booking services in here. So under the booking services, you will be able to add an appointment. So for me, I'll just put in an online meeting right here. So once I have done that, it will open and this will load a new page on our specific website. So in here, you can actually just change the online meeting. So let's put in chat with me. And then you can add in here a tagline, a description, duration, and buffer time right here. The payment can be per session with the plan or per session with the plan. So I'll just choose this per session. And then the price per session can be depending on what you want. It can be a fixed price or it can be free. So for me, I'll just charge 500. And then it will show you the entire amount online and then the location as well as the video conferencing if you want to put this as an online meeting. So the staff can be yourself or other staff that you have, as well as a cover image on your photo gallery. For me, I'll just save that one. And in here, as you can see, it will load and the specific booking has been added. Now in here on our services page, we can now start booking online. So in here, we have created a booking and this is our actual service. So let's head back again to booking services. And we should be able to see in here some options for us. So you can add a new service, you can manage categories, manage staff, payments, and all of that. So when you close this one, and in here you can set your work hours. And once you have set your work hours, people can book an appointment with you and know when to book it. So for me, I'll just choose this one. This is the default. So click on save for that. Totally depends on you what you want to put in here. So let's close this up again. And then in here, we can now set our connect payment methods in order to get paid. Now, when we close this Wix bookings, you can see in here the services. So in here, let's just wait for that to finish loading for our booking. So you can also refresh your site if you think that this services is not managing itself properly. So in here, you can see the loading site. So let's just wait for the booking services to finish. And once it has finished, we'll be able to see and then actually show the availability of this schedule right here. So you can show the availability everyone. And when you close this, you will be able to book online using this book online thing right here. So this is what we have edited earlier, and as you can see, it has now been changed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create the booking on your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!